Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50 Lite and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one. The first is *#06#. And as you can see by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and a serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another code, actually pretty similar to the previous one. It is *##09#. And here we've got the information about our device, so again IMEI numbers, but also the barcode, for example, or the product name. You can also scan those QR codes if you want. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *##558#. And here we've got something like the factory test, let's say. So here you can, for example, debug the port. Just by tapping on it, you can either enable it or disable. You can tap on the settings and go to the privacy and read all of those privacy terms if you would like to. And here we've got also the option OQC test. Let's pretend I've scanned those code. Let's tap on it, and here you can basically test the components of your device. So for example, the IMEI. Let's tap on it, and if you can see both IMEI numbers, you can go back and then mark this test as normal. So if everything worked fine and you really saw the IMEI numbers, you can mark it as normal, or simply tap on error and report it. So same with file manager. If you're opening, if your device is opening the file manager, you can go back and mark it as normal. So this is how it works in this section. And this is how this code works. Another code will open the diagnostic menu, and it is *##426#*##. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on this option and tap on the status. And right here we've got much more information, so for example the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Now we can go back, that's all for this code, and another one is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let's start with Wi-Fi. For example, here we've got the status configuration. Of course, you can enter all of those sections and check the details. For example, in the status, you can check the supplicant state, you can check the SSID, you can also run ping test right here. I have no idea why it does not really display this option properly, but you can still tap on it and your device will either refresh the stats or run the ping test. Here we've got usage statistics, so basically the list of all apps with the usage time, for example, or last time use or app name. And the phone information, where you've got, let's say, technical info like the car network and data network type, etc. Of course, you will be able to see all of those information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why those options are blank, but no worries. Here you can also run ping test. And after tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's go back, and that's all for this code. And another code, and the last code for today's video actually, is *##225#*##. And here we are in the version test, so again we can check the technical information about our device. Here we've got again IMEI numbers, but also the secure boot. We can check whether it is enabled or check software build version. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.